Hello everyone, I'm Anjali Sinha, your geography teacher. Today we will discuss the drainage pattern of chapter 3. Drainage pattern. The streams means rivers within a drainage basin form certain patterns which are influenced by climate, terrain, and underlying rock structure. These patterns are known as drainage patterns. Major types of drainage patterns include: number 1, dendritic pattern, second, rectangular pattern, and third, trellis drainage pattern, fourth, radial drainage pattern. Now let us discuss the drainage patterns. First, dendritic drainage pattern. They develop where the river follow the slopes of terrain. It is the most common form of drainage pattern and look like the branching pattern of a tree when joined by tributaries. Example, Ganga with its tributary form the dendritic pattern in the northern plains. Second, now look at the diagram. Dendritic pattern. The main streams and branches when the tributaries join the main stream, they look like the branches of the trees. So they are known as dendritic pattern. Second, rectangular drainage pattern. It is found in regions that have undergone faulting. As a result, the tributaries make bend and enter the main stream at right angles. A rectangular drainage pattern develops on strongly jointed rocky terrain, means underlying hard rocks area. Example, Tapi with its tributary form rectangular drainage pattern. Look at the diagram. They developed on hard rocks area and tributaries join roughly at right angles. Third, trellis pattern. This drainage pattern is developed when tributary join the main river roughly at right angle. A trellis drainage pattern develops where hard and soft rocks exist parallel to each other. Example, Narmada with its tributaries form trellis drainage pattern. Look at the diagram. Underlying rock structure you have seen. It has alternate layers of hard rocks and soft rocks and tributaries joined at roughly right angle. Fourth one is radial drainage pattern. Radial drainage pattern form around a central elevated point. It develops when streams flow in different directions from this central peak or dome-like structure. Example, a number of rivers like Brahmaputra, Indus form radial drainage pattern near its origin. Look at the diagram. Radial pattern. The river originated from the upland central uplifted point and flow in all directions. That's all for today. See you next time. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you.